रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलिल उक़दतन मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Starting in the greatest name of Allah, with the most powerful and beneficent. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand firmly on the motion of that can AI replace the doctors and medical professions? No, Mr. President, no, it cannot. It cannot replace the doctors and medical professions. Mr. President, in age of rapid technological advancement, it is tempting to believe that artificial intelligence will soon replace the doctors and healthcare professions. But let us be absolutely clear that AI cannot change the doctors and healthcare professions. It can assist, it can support, it can enhance, but it can never ever replace the doctors and healthcare professions. But it can never replace the irreplaceable human elements of medicine at its core. Because medicine is not merely about diagnosing disease or prescribing drugs. It is about understanding the patient as a whole person, socially, emotionally, and psychologically. A doctor's role involves empathy, ethical judgment, and real-time decision-making, rooted not only in data but in human experience. Mr. President, when a patient breaks down in a tear, when a child is terrified of a needle, when a family is faced with a harrowing decision of end of life of care, AI cannot emphasize, AI cannot comfort, AI cannot guide them with compassion. These deeply human moments define the very soul of medicine. Mr. President, moreover, AI system, no matter how advanced, lack accountability, lack transparency, and lack moral reasoning. If an AI makes life-altering mistakes, who is responsible? Mr. President, if an AI makes life-altering mistakes, who is responsible? A machine that cannot take the Hippocratic oath, that cannot be sued, that cannot be questioned, that cannot be held ethically accountable, unlike trained physicians. AI lacks ability to navigate cultural sensitivities and complex realities of human behavior that heavily influences on healthcare outcomes. That medical AI has repeatedly failed in diverse clinical environment because it cannot grasp nuance, intuition, uncertainty, all of which are routine in real life medicine. Mr. President, even in diagnostic, where AI has shown the promise that the best results have occurred when AI works alongside human, not in a place of them. It is a tool, not a replacement. It is a tool, Mr. President, it's a tool, not a replacement. But it is a tool, not a replacement. A stethoscope revolutionized that how we hear the heart. But AI cannot replace the cardiologist. Similarly, AI might revolutionize data analysis, but it can never ever change the physicians. No AI model is today legally, ethically permitted in any healthcare system, in any healthcare system of the world. And rightly so, because healthcare demands human presence, human responsibility, and human trust. Doctors don't just treat disease, they heal people. Doctors don't just treat disease, they heal people. And no algorithm, however advanced, can replicate the art, the emotion, the skaters that define the medical professions. To reduce doctors to medical is to misunderstand what it means to be human. Thanks.